Okay, let's talk about this problem. We're going to try to combine cosine and sine function as one single cosine function. Okay, as you talked about it, this can be written by r cosine of 9 pi t minus delta form, where your r is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared, and tangent delta is equal to b over a, which means your delta is tangent inverse of b over a, right? So in this given problem, this is a and this is b, okay? Which means, let me rewrite this, okay? Your a is -2, must be equal to r cosine delta, and your b is square root of 3, which is r sine delta. Okay, deciding r is easy. Okay, there we go. Your r is equal to square root of -2 squared plus square root of 3 square, which is equal to 4 plus 3. Then we can easily find my r. But what about delta? It is a little bit sensitive. Okay, but keep that in mind. R is positive. Then for here, like from a, cosine delta must be negative, right? And your sine delta is positive. Then we can say your delta is in the which quadrant? Second quadrant, okay? Between 90 to 180, or pi over 2 to pi, okay? So that's why your delta is not only like tangent, like a tangent inverse of b over a, but like you have to do like this way. Because like you're basically like the domain of tangent is between -90 to 90, and you can have that value, okay? So it would be just like a negative number between 0 to pi over 2, okay? So your answer must be pi plus tangent inverse of square root of 3 over -2, or you can do like this way, just pi minus tangent inverse of either way, okay? That's it.